back to a chemistry class. You all know that soil is an inseparable part of our life. Why is it so? It is because soil is essential for the life on earth. Not only human beings, but most of the living beings depend on soil for their growth. Soil provides water and nutrients for the growth of plants. Plants in turn
are necessary for
our existence. Not only that, there are a lot of organisms which live inside the soil. Is there anything that may destroy the quality of the soil? Yes, there are two things that may destroy the quality of the soil. Which are they? They are soil pollution and soil erosion. We have already discussed about soil pollution. You all know the causes of soil pollution as well as the ways to prevent soil pollution. Now let's see
what soil erosion is.
You all know that the topsoil is very fertile. Strong wind, river water or heavy rain may remove the topsoil. This process of removal of topsoil by wind, water or any other agents is termed as soil erosion. It is a natural process. Erosion removes at roughly the same rate as the soil is formed. However, the balance is disturbed by human activities. So, nowadays soil erosion is a big problem. Let's see
the different human activities that cause soil erosion. Different human activities that lead to soil erosion are cutting down of trees, then overgrazing of lands by cattle, excess amount of farming practices, overuse of chemical fertilizers, housing constructions and mining.
what are the consequences of this soil erosion.
Soil erosion removes valuable topsoil, which is the most productive part of the soil profile for agricultural purposes. The loss of this topsoil results in lower yields and higher production costs. It also reduces the ability of the soil to store water and nutrients. The topsoil removed get deposited in roads and other places. Also, it causes the depositing of silt in the river beds. This increases the risk of flooding in different places.
As the soil erosion decreases the quality of the soil, we have to prevent it. Let's see how to prevent soil erosion.
Let's prevent soil erosion by afforestation, that is planting more trees. Because roots of the plants hold the soil particles firmly, so by planting trees we can help in controlling soil erosion. Next method to prevent soil erosion is by preventing overgrazing of cattle in an area. Building dams control soil loss. Different methods of farming also can be practiced to prevent soil erosion, like terrace farming. It consists of building a series of steps like benches. Each step slows down the flow of water, thereby reducing soil erosion.
So dear children, in today's session we learned about the causes of soil erosion and the ways to prevent soil erosion. With this, we come to the end of this chapter. Read the textbook and learn well. Thank you.